Good morning, students. Earlier class we discussed about potential energy and we derived expression for potential energy. So we know that the mechanical energy is mainly classified into two types. One is potential energy and second one is kinetic energy. Today we are going to explain kinetic energy. So what is called kinetic energy? The energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion is called kinetic energy. So moving objects are having kinetic energy. So the energy possessed by its motion or velocity. So every moving object having kinetic energy. Let us consider some examples. So vehicle in motion, moving vehicles are having kinetic energy. Water flowing along river. So flowing water in the river is having kinetic energy. Blowing wind also having kinetic energy. A bullet fired from a gun, fired bullet also having kinetic energy. A satellite going around the earth. All the satellites are revolving around the earth. The satellites are having kinetic energy. The electron is revolving around the nucleus. The electrons are having kinetic energy. Flying birds having both potential energy and kinetic energy. Okay? Understood? So, if a body having motion or it is having velocity, it is having kinetic energy. The energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion is called as kinetic energy. So expression for kinetic energy. Let us consider one object. The mass of the object is m. The object is moving with u velocity. So the uniform opposing forces is acting on the object to bring to rest the object. To bring to rest the object in a displacement of s. Okay. So once again, so let us consider one object. The mass of the object is m. The object is moving with uniform velocity v. When opposing forces is acting on that body, the opposing force try to keep the body rest. So the body before rest, the body can displace from A to B. The displacement of a body is s. Displacement of body is s. The uniform retardation of the body due to the opposing forces is A. The acceleration of the retarding acceleration is the body is A. Okay. By kinematic equations, we have to find out the acceleration of the body, retardation. By using this equation, kinematic equation, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. We know that kinematic equations, v is equal to u plus a, s is equal to ut plus half a c square, v square minus u square is equal to 2as, the sn is equal to u plus a n minus half. These are all called kinematic equations. By using v square minus u square is equal to 2as, so here initial velocity. What is the initial velocity? Initial velocity u is equal to v, right? What is the final velocity? Final velocity v is equal to 0. Okay, the body is moving with v velocity initially, and after the opposing forces are acting on that body, comes to rest. So the final velocity is 0. So substituting these values in this equation, 0 square minus instead of u substitute v square is equal to 2as A is equal to how much? Minus v square by 2s. So this is the acceleration of the body. Acceleration of the body. The force acting on the body. The force acting on the body, according to Newton's second law, F is equal to ma. We know that. So m into what is the value of a? V square by 2s minus v square by 2s. So F is equal to minus mv square by 2s. So this is equation number 2. Here the minus indicate opposite forces are acting on that body. So according to Newton's third law, we know that every action having equal and opposite reaction. So reaction force on the body F is equal to plus mv square by 2s. This is the action force. This is called a reaction force. Reaction force always equal and opposite to the action force. F is equal to mv square by 2s. The work done by the force on the object is W is equal to, here we know that W is equal to Fs, F dot S and Fs cos theta. Fs cos theta. So W is equal to, what is the value of F? F is equal to mv square by 2s into S means displacement S, here cos 0, theta is equal to 0. The displacement along the direction of force. So cos 0, SS get cancelled. We know that cos 0 is equal to 1. So W is equal to half mv square. Half mv square. So the work done by the force on the object, W is equal to half mv square. So the work is stored as a kinetic energy in the object. The work is stored as a kinetic energy in the object. So the kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. The kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. So the kinetic energy depend on velocity. If velocity is 0, the body doesn't have any kinetic energy. So V is equal to V, the body having maximum kinetic energy. So the energy passed by a body by virtue of its motion or velocity is known as kinetic energy. The expression for kinetic energy, K is equal to half mv square. Half mv square. Thank you.